9 years.
What to say 10?
9 years.
But they say it not finish.
Yeah, I have one next piece under the I'm gonna be putting a little red label wine. So we want them and them always not chipping for do nothing to make it easier. This are I pretty girl, pretty baby. She's so shy. Good morning, YouTube fam. It's Monday, the 2nd of October, and I'm starting out by showing you the skies. Yeah, morning. Yeah. Are you around water in there? Okay, yeah. Yeah, so it's another day, it's another morning, and where you all checking in from, I don't know where I'm going with the weather. Not in Jamaica, and the whole Caribbean, heading on to Florida and then place there and so forth. So, I'm just showing you. Oh, the sky, look, don't look, I can't do any outdoors. And as we speak, and I'm showing you this little clip, it's fine dewing. You know what Jamaica will say it's dewing. There's my puppy them right there, so. Done there behind right there, so. Even though the weather, they are really dry. Casey say good morning. I have to leash her at nights, fam, because Casey is so rude. Casey, we got road. Casey, I use her mouth, pull the gate. Casey, say good morning. Good morning. The time wet and you're so dry. Burn him there behind. Me can't get to catch him, family. So it's another morning. It's my backyard. Grow up and everything and all of them sitting there. So I'm just checking. A long time I'm not checking. We don't like this, you know. But I hope that you and the fam bam are doing okay. I hope that everything is okay. We're really experiencing lots of little itches and glitches and lightning, leaks, some sitting and all kind of something that happen. The cable box get destroyed and but you know what happened? We're giving thanks when it costs life, no cost nothing. I'm going to go through today, even though the rain is falling, I have to get some things done on the indoors. So I'll check right back in with you, and I'll let you follow me through this rainy day. And seems like some rainy, real rainy and floody days ahead in Jamaica. So, sorry, from where you are, make sure you're keeping safe. Make sure you're having everything under control. And all of that. See the rain is coming down. Make sure say you take your little cold medicine, your little cold bush them. So I'll check back right in with you. And if you look, you can see it's dropping right there. See the ground is so wet. So I'll catch you, fam. Keep safe. So family, I just did not get to do anything outdoors today. Wanted also to do some baking. I could have, but did just want to go outdoors, go do some outdoor work to and then come in, come bake. So I did not get to do that. And this is like about almost 4 in the afternoon, and this is where the weather look like at Jamaica right now. And today, Monday, the 2nd of November, we are in a hurricane zone. We're in a hurricane zone. In the morning it wasn't so bad, but since about 2:33 p.m. this is what it looks like. This looks like a straight through the night too. You can see Satan come down. It's happening, it's happening, it's happening. No blue skies for us. Actually, according to the weather people, not for days, maybe next week or next week this time. But let us pray. Let us pray, family, and for all, not just for ourselves alone in Jamaica, but for all those who are in the zone, in the region of this category, heading for category 4 hurricane. It is heading for a category 4 storm. God help us, and all of that. Prayers up, and we've got to try to stay safe, do the best that we can do. Very moving, very slow. But this is what is happening in my backyard in Kingston. And I'll catch you back in another clip. I'll just make some dinner and we talk. So family, good morning once more for the very second time in this video. It is Tuesday and I am showing you on the outside. It is like about 11:30 Jamaica time, Tuesday the 3rd of November, and the weather is getting worse. I don't know what is gonna happen. We are gonna flood out because this has been happening since this morning. It kind of hold up last night. Juju constantly during through the night, but right now it a pour down, as you can see. See all tree over there, so blow and all of them something. But you know what? It is what it is. Me still have life. but the weather is not holding up, family. So if you are where you are, the weather is like this, and goes out to the people who get more with breeze and stuff. But right now Jamaica is under intense weather, really intense weather. Everything have to be indoors, but in spite of all of that, I should have done some baking from yesterday, but the vibes are the kind of break. So I'm gonna try to see if I can get some in right now. So I am gonna show you as I go along. I am on the inside. You see from the weather, so this on me after there. I have no else today but indoors. So I'm just gonna take you through this rainy Tuesday with me. And I hope you like what I've got to show you. So I'll see you in the next clip. So Paris family, okay. May have look at things in the sink, so may I go wash them up. Listen to me. The weather is so bad on the outside. It's just raining down heavily. Sometimes it holds up like a 2 or 3 minutes and then it come down, you know, even harder. I couldn't tell when the last time we experienced weather in Jamaica. Yeah. It has been since August. The weather has been so bad. I don't know, you know, but my intention is to just put on the stuff and go sleep. But guess what? The show have to go on. The work has got to be done. So come on, girl, say hi now.
Hi.
I'm gonna just go boil up some water, rinse off, clean up in the sink, and have my egg them out. Come on, girl, she never take out the butter. And I'm not going to be doing a tutorial, so nobody asks for the recipes, just as I'm showing you what I'm doing. I am doing some orders that I have here to be sent off by, I don't think for this week again, because I always like to make them and make them cure before they reach a customer and cut a slice of cake, and cut a slice of Jamaican black cake, well cure. So my kitchen is not in such of a tidy way, so I'm just going to use my stove. I wanted to use my new oven to show you I've got a new oven, but it's in another kitchen. I'm going to run the risk for the on the outside because the rain is very unstable. Oh, I baked in that stove for one time since I got it. It was a beauty. It would have make you love beer. This stove, the oven here, I have the interest in baking. But some other time down the line, I'll show you my new oven. I have invested in a new oven. This makes me more so mad sometimes when I bake. I don't like how it bakes ever since I get it. So as I think I did say it before a few times. It's a one-sided. One side is hotter than one. Oh, then get it so. Don't ask me. That's factory fault. I've never had an oven with that problem. But when you're in tune with the oven, when you're a person that uses your oven a lot and you're really in tune to your oven, you will know what I'm talking about. It is a straight like a workless oven. I've never had an oven of this nature, and it turns me off really. So maybe that's why I made a drag. I wanted to bake from yesterday and to use the new oven because I told it bakes so smooth, it bakes so even, you know. But the weather not allow me, and I don't want to be to and from, you know, out because, you know, oven the heat. So I'm going to do something then. So as I go along, I'll show you what I'm doing. Gonna get this place really clean up. The weather out there intense, and I'm on the inside. Me need to get intense in the kitchen. So family, I'm just start the baking about 3 o'clock now. Camera girl after 3. I went to get a little nap because the sleep wasn't so good last night, because I don't even know what. This weather, when this weather is like this, it makes you not so stable. Just like when the weather is stable, you don't feel that stable either. So after the last clip, I decided I would take a little nap. Then from the little nap, I came back and I had to be doing a little work here and there, a little business here. And a little business there, I look on something over this up on the fridge top when need attention. So I'm all over the place. The weather outside, not going anywhere good. No time soon this will break. So I'm going to start with my local mixed butter, different types of butter. I like to mix my butter when I am doing my black cake. So I'm going to put in some sugar now. Remember, this is not a tutorial. So some people is going to want to come to ask me for the recipe. It's not a tutorial. It's just all me. I got through the rain. I'm here on the inside. I feel warm a little bit. But you know, don't know. Rain and shine a little hot flash or whatever it want. Yeah. So in the next clip, I'll see you. So fam, I have one batch of cake in. Still I run slow because the weather is bad. I had to change my clothes though. And have those in now. So I'm getting some hot water to clean up the mixer bowl and all of these things. So I have some leave here, but it don't look like it's enough to full even a 2 pound pan. I mean, I do a 1 pound. If I had 1 pound pan, but I really do a 1 pound. So I'm just gonna scoop it in a container, leave it to freeze, clean up the kitchen, and as we pull along, let me show you. Whether boring. If you don't know where you're doing, no work. So family, I'm going to do the little washing up now. You know that black cake after tidying up there. You know it go. Always have to try tidy up after. So make sure some mixer plug out so I get a little white down. What's that? Sometimes the card then get messed up too, so I make sure I wipe it down because I might come out later early in the morning, about 2-3 o'clock when I wake up and stuff. So I got 2 these already with the hot water, you know, without grease. Use that water and get out there, you know, butter and salt. I'm gonna be washing up these now. So let me show you what I go on in my oven. I've tidied up. And this is my little batch of meadow food today. I almost never did it because the weather was just, and look here, the rain will up now probably about half an hour or 45 minutes, and I'm so hot. That is a different, I don't know what is happening this year. It's just a different year because we have been having this bad rainy weather in Jamaica. Well, let us not say bad because we need the rain. We have been having rainy weather since the very second week of August. And you know, all know say rain fall in August from the second week, you know, and it comes right down now. It just constant, and each time the rain is falling, you never feel cold, nor nothing at all. It's just so hot. So this is just what this little vlog was all about. I was supposed to do about 2 more batches, but so Jesus out there really hot, and I gave them the very first set of wetting. So them have about 2 more wetting before them can package and label and all of that. So I hope you did enjoy this little. I told you it wasn't a tutorial, just showing you what I did during this rain. I started this video from Monday, and today, this evening is Tuesday. So I hope you did enjoy. If you did, remember to give me a big fat thumbs up. Remember to make sure you're subscribed to the Jamaican Cooking Journey. No dinner. I'm just gonna have myself a ramen noodle and probably 2 crackers. Cool off myself properly now, because the oven, I was in and out of the oven, and then have a nice shower, and then I might try to find a Christmas movie. More videos coming your way, more than what you are going to be bargaining for and all of that. So until I see you again on this camera, it's going to be ciao. Remember to make sure you're subscribed, and we'll be having a giveaway right on.